owners that spend all this money and that could be in danger.
With him, Dustin Simpson from
Yes, Dustin,
the RV
awesome
specialist
guy.
out that way. And for you guys who don't know, you may have seen him in some of my videos. Me and Dustin have worked together in a couple of videos, and we've chatted
Yeah.
about some stuff. And he has a shop out in Northern California, RV Tech,
Lodi.
great shop. And you may have seen him across numerous Facebook platforms and groups, including the Grand Designs. And
Yep.
so, I don't know, maybe you don't know, but what's kind of going on with him and his shop in Grand Design?
Glad you brought that up. And I don't know details. Only he's the best person to ask about this. He's kind of our go-to technical person. I think the world of him, and I can't wait to meet him and Ashley. But now Grand Design is telling people don't go to California RV Specialist.
Yeah.
And I'm telling people if you're in that area, go see Dustin and Ashley and their crew.
Oh, they're
Those guys are
great.
awesome.
And Grand Design doesn't, I guess, want to work with him anymore because of the warranty work and what was being covered and what wasn't, and what some of the stuff he's been showing on his YouTube channel, and that's coming into his shop and some of the problems they're having to deal with. So he kind of got blackballed too, blacklisted, and
He got blacklisted by Grand Design, and they are blatantly say, "Don't. We will not cover any warranty." And he doesn't do warranty stuff for manufacturers anymore, or assembly companies, I should call them. They're not manufacturers. They put together the puzzle that basically Lippert and other manufacturers build for them. So they are not a manufacturing company. But yeah, back to Dustin. He is kind of one of our main technical advisors, I guess you could say. I don't want to speak outside of what I don't know, so I'll defer to him. I'll
yeah,
include him in on the conversation because he follows our site as well. And so, but he has no emotion behind it. He just says, "This is how it is. This is what's wrong, what's going on, what should have been done." And they don't like that because he puts it out on video or photographs
yeah, and
on
it's
his
great
site.
because he sees a
Yeah,
lot firsthand. He's the one
yeah.
dealing with it, fixing it, and seeing what's coming in. So I enjoy talking to him too to kind of get a lowdown of
Oh,
what models,
absolutely.
what companies do you see coming in, like, because I'm always curious what's going on outside of just Grand Design as well, and
Yeah.
what are these other companies doing, what are their issues looking like and things like that. So